Tint Talk here, like and subscribe. So I'm gonna go over really quick why a lot of you guys are struggling with these front windshields. Well, okay, when you get down to these front windshields, a lot of times the glass is just a lot longer and a lot more curved than any bad glass. So sometimes you have to lift the film up and unlock it. Now, this is what I do. Some other people, they just pull shrink the part. But I figure if you're not at that point where you can pull shrink, a lot of the times what you can do is blow air under the finger to unlock it, or you could put your card, as you can see right there, and that'll unlock it also. Because at the end of the day, you don't want your film to be locked down while you're shrinking. That will instantly cause you a finger, because if the finger has absolutely nowhere to go and nowhere to compress, and it's not relaxed, you're going to have a big problem right there. So make sure to do that, and make sure you stage your windows correctly. Like and subscribe.